So here's how it goes. If you have a 2-digit number and the number is the same multiplied by 5, you multiply one of the digits by 5, you get 25. So you just write 2 and 5 here. Add the 2 and 5, you get 7. You put that right here. Let's do that again. 6 times 5 is 30. Add the 3 and the 0. You get 330. Now 7 times 5 is 35. Add the 2 digits, you get 8. So 385. I'll let you do these two. It doesn't stop here. Check this out. How about if we have 444 times 5, then still the same thing. 4 times 5 is 20, so we put 2 here and a 0 there. Add these two numbers, you get 2, so you put a 2 here and a 2 there. How about this? Let's try it one more time. 5 times 5 is 25. Put the 2 there and the 5 there. Add these two, you get 7. You put that right there. Would it work again with the 4 digits of the same number times 5? Let's check it out. 7 times 5 is 35. Put the 3 there and the 5 there. Put or add the 3 and the 5, you get 8. Put all the 8s right here. And now 5-digit times 5. Would that work? 9 times 5 is 45. So I put the 4 there and the 5 here. Add the 4 and the 5, you get 9. So you put a 9 here, a 9 there, a 9 there. And now if you don't believe me, go check it out in your calculator and be assured this would work all the time. Check out my YouTube channel. I have over 500 videos, math videos specifically, from grade 6 all the way to first year university. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, comment if you like, but most importantly, subscribe to my channel because your support goes a long way. Thanks again for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.